This is DJI Phantom 4, and today I'll show how you can adjust the video recording cache capacity on this drone. So in the beginning, you will need to enter the camera feed of the DJI Go app. Now launch the settings by pressing those three horizontal dots, and by default you'll always have the general settings section selected, but just in case, make sure that this category is enabled, or that you have selected this category here. Now scroll down, look for the largest video cache capacity, press here, and select what, video cache capacity you would like to have. The values that you can set vary from 1 GB all the way up to 7. And as far as this video goes, that'll be it. So thanks for watching, and bye bye.